Hey guys, it's Jessie here. I'm back with another cleaning video. I am working in my living room today. We just recently rearranged the furniture a little bit in here. I'm really loving the way it looks. You can see it was a little bit disheveled today, so I took some time and straightened it up, and I brought you guys along with me. So I'm just clearing off my sofa, clearing off my little end tables there. I had some shopping stuff I needed to put away, and next up I am going to start dusting off my tables there. I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the apple cider scent. It smells so good. I get all of my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products, as well as most of my other cleaning products, from Grove Collaborative, which I'll link down below. If you guys are not existing customers, you can sign up through my link. You can get some freebies with your first purchase. It's a great deal. But now I'm just straightening my sofa cushions, folding up that blanket there that we have just as a little throw, straightening out my pillows, and moving on to my other end table, just kind of straightening up as I go and dusting with that apple cider scent. That stuff smells so good. I highly recommend it. I've already almost used up that whole bottle. So now I'm just putting away some more shopping stuff. I've been doing a lot of shopping lately. You guys are going to be seeing some hauls coming up on my channel here pretty soon. And now I'm just moving on to dusting off my entertainment center. I'm really liking this entertainment center on this wall. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that this used to be on a different wall in my living room, and I feel like having it here just really opens up the place. So I'm cleaning off my little coffee table there. There's a whole stack of mail that I'm going to leave there. My husband and I need to go through that and figure out what we're going to do with all of that stuff. Do you guys ever just have random piles of mail and paperwork and stuff just laying around? I never know what to do with that stuff. So I'm just going to leave it there for now, come back to it another time. I'm going to work on folding up this load of laundry. I've been trying hard to do at least a load a day, sometimes even 2 or 3. But yeah, this was my one load for the day, so I'm just going to get it folded up and put away. So now that I got all of those clothes folded up, I'm just going to take them and get them all put away, and then I'm going to just pick up a couple of other things here on the floor and dust off my coffee table. Now I am just pulling out my vacuum cleaner. It is a Shark vacuum. I love it for my hardwood floors here, my laminate floors. I'm just vacuuming really quickly, getting all of the dust and dirt from the floor cleaned up. Super easy. And that is the last thing on my list today. So that is going to do it for my little cleaning video here. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm giving you a little finished look at the room now. It wasn't too bad, just needed a little bit of a tidy up. And I'm much happier with the way it looks now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe so that you never miss a video. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!